Andrea, we've got a tremendous head here, but that's only part of the story, isn't it? Tell us about MCM, tell us about your company and what you do.
Okay, so we produce a horizontal machining center in Italy, in the northern part of Italy, and we like to equip our machines with automation system. Is our core business. We like to say we are one source supplier. We produce the machines, the automation, the traversal technology, and even also the software suite to control the line. Our customer typically use the flexibility to reduce the number of unworking area and increase the number of unmanned working area of the lines.
And you were telling me earlier, you do around about 100 machines or 100 installations a year. I mean, there's going to be a lot of parts going through your machines, isn't there, every year? Because typically aerospace sector, automotive.
Yeah, we are well recognized as expert on the aerospace engine manufacturer, and we have several installations on the main player of the market, but also automotive is an interesting market for us, and also the general mechanic, because finally our machine is a universal machine. We have some specialties, because we can integrate on our machine not only the milling or the turning function, but now is a common possibility, but also grinding, power skiving, or even some measuring reporting that is important, because quality is the next step of the machining.
I was going to say, what's the really important parts that you've got to get right to run long hours unmanned on, for example, engine rings and things like that from harder materials? What are the challenges that your customers face that you solve?
Yeah, the main point is to grant our customer the affordability, the availability of the machines and the quality of the machining. So what we have done, we have developed a digital suite that we call GFRX, that is recording the data from all the sensors of the machine in a high speed. And then we are comparing the data we're recording during the machine life with the original data we record when the machine is new. Making this comparison, we are able to do a really predictive, for example, maintenance. Predictive maintenance means that for certain component where you arrive at the end with more than 100 hours, 120 machining hours, you cannot make a fail on the last hour. It's not possible. So you must have everything running perfectly.
And the machines that we see on your stand here, they're MCM machines, but different models. This here, a monstrous head here. This for machining titaniums and these types of materials. You're specialists in making a very heavy-duty, rigid, solid, powerful machine as well as all the bits that go on it.
Yeah, we have a range of machines. We start from the smaller one that are our clock, that is up to 1.2 meter X-axis stroke, and then we go up to the tank and tank G. This particular head is from the tank G, and is a head with close to 2,000 Newton-meter torque, so really for titanium machining. Logically, the structure of the machine should be adequate of the torque and the power. It's a gantry solution machine with double motor, big size of linear guideways, and so.
And you're making all these in Italy?
We do everything in Italy. We do the construction, also the FM calculation, so because today to produce a machine you need to make an exact calculation before. And we do also the integration of the machine and the automation in our premise. So the merging between the two technology is inside, and so when we arrive at the customer, you arrive with already the bird solution without issue.
So you make the machines, you then bring in or make some of the automation systems, the pallet solutions, the end-of-line measurement, washing, all of that, don't you? All complete?
Yeah, all complete. Even we integrate external technology like EDM technology, because if the part needs some extra treatment, we can do without moving the part from the pallet. And so we increase the quality, because you don't lose the precision of the machine, disassembling the part and reassembling to another machine. And this is an additional value to the increase of the production.
You employ, you were telling me, around about 500 people. You must have a lot of skilled engineers within that mix to be able to deliver a solution like this.
The percentage is very high, and we have a strong cooperation with the Italian university. It's called Politecnico, where we support the team of the young engineers. We get the engineers inside, so we make a kind of training, and we try to attract the skilled one to work with us, and it's quite a good successful point for us.
Who watching this is a target customer for you? Who are the people that go, I need to talk to these guys? What would they look like? Who are they?
Wow. This is particular, okay? In certain cases, we are talking about technical people that follow the development of the production, or decision maker, but what is important is to have the idea of a project with a complete overview, because sometimes the machine cost is not the final cost. We have to see the final project cost.
But who is a customer, as in what would they be making? What are the parts they would be making that would warrant them to talk to you?
For sure, we have customer recognize our experience on the engine aerospace part, or hydraulic valves, or aerospace manifold, structural part. This is the typical part from our sector, where we have a long experience on the market. So I like to say that we know the mistake we have made, so and this should be a key to avoid the repetition. Okay.